It's huge. It's massive. It's a stonker. It is a 20 centimetre brim.
Have a go with that.
Look at that. The Gamakatsu right in the gob.
Limber Creek Barra happening.
Look at it dancing. Thomas Long. He says Atomic Linez not tough.
Yeah, that's a good one.
10-pound leader.
Oh, missed it. Yeah, 10 pound.
You
Like a giant snake.
You been fishing long?
No. Think I'm coming in that little net. Come on then, we'll give you the old long tom lift too to stay on there.
Watch your toes. You good, what, 600-700?
Yeah, easy. Yeah.
I do now.
Good fish.
Yeah.
See him out here. Good brim.
Way over you.
Not letting that. Yeah.
The yabbies fell over and he's getting pinched on his feet and put the boat back on the trailer and that's it, I'm out of here. And a couple of days later he's out this front veranda. What's that smell? He followed around, there's about 50 yabbies under the floor of his boat. Guess what I've got?
Nice one too, isn't it?
Yep, I got a brim.
Unbelievable one.
Yeah, Gamma worm hooks. They do a good job. I'll get this one. Ooh, he feels a bit better.
Very good.
Ooh. What have we got here?
Very good.
Yeah. Yeah, he's a good one.
Yep.
Old worm hooks.
Yeah, that'd be 35, that bugger.